In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill text with pictures in Canva. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. This is a simple, eye-catching effect that's perfect for beginners and looks great on thumbnails, posters, and social posts. We'll go step by step so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open your design in Canva. You can use any canvas size you've already created or an existing project you're working on. Once your design is open, take a quick moment to visualize where you want your image-filled text to sit, so you have space ready for it on the canvas. Next, head over to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar there, type Text Frame. This is important. You're looking for frames shaped like letters. These are different from regular text. Frames have a hollow interior ready to hold an image, and you'll usually see a landscape icon or a pattern inside them that signals they can contain photos. From the results, choose a letter frame. These are the alphabet-style frames with hollow insides. Pick the letter you need for your design, keeping in mind that bold, simple shapes usually show images more clearly. When you found the one you like, drag the frame onto your canvas. Place it where you want it to appear and use the corner handles to resize. Don't worry about being perfect yet. You can refine the position later. Now, move to the Photos tab if you want to use Canva's stock images, or go to Uploads if you've brought in your own pictures. Photos with strong subjects, bold colors, or clear textures tend to look best inside letters. Drag a photo directly onto the letter frame. As you hover, you'll see the image snap into the frame automatically. If it doesn't, make sure you're dropping it right over the letter until it highlights. You'll instantly get that picture-in-text effect. To fine-tune it, double-click the photo inside the frame. This opens a reposition and resize mode for the image itself, not the letter. Drag to move the photo around inside the letter until the subject is centered or the texture lines up nicely. Use the corner handles to zoom in or out for the best crop. When it looks right, click outside the frame to apply. That's it. Simple, fast, and super effective. And that's how you fill text with pictures in Canva. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.